If you want to watch movies or a show from another country on Netflix, it's actually very simple. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that, as you can see on my Netflix. Let me first check my IP address. You can see it is Pakistan. Now I will change it to USA. For this, I will use NordVPN. Netflix will work with this VPN only. On different sites, you won't be able to log in to Netflix. The link to NordVPN is available in the description box. After selecting your location to NordVPN, let me just check my IP address. It is now in the USA. Let me get back to Netflix. It is working fine. Now you can watch different movie shows here. With NordVPN, you can connect to any location you want so that you can access the Netflix content you want. It's also important to know this is the only way to change your country on Netflix. There's no other or free way to do this. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos.